rAVe Radio. With rants and raves, you'll be okay. And today is your lucky day. It is rants and raves with Gary K.
Hey everyone, this is Gary K, and welcome to another pre-ISE video cast. We're counting down to the days where we're all going to be in Barcelona for the first big trade show in 2.5 years, nearly. I'm here with the Chief Technical Officer of Valarea, Cristiano Fumagalli. Hey, Cristiano, how are you doing?
Yes, fine. Thanks, Gary.
Did I do okay? I tried to pronounce your last name. I'm sure I didn't do good, but...
I'm Italian, so it's Cristiano Fumagalli, even if the company is based in Manchester in UK. And it's Fumagalli.
Fumagalli. Okay, Cristiano Fumagalli. Thanks for joining me. Now, a lot of people may not know who Valarea is. I think it probably worth maybe turning it over to you and have you do a quick presentation. Now, here's the thing. They're going to be at ISE, and they're going to be in the Jupiter booth. I think large displays. Jupiter, you'll see why this makes sense, because Jupiter has those 21:9 aspect ratio displays. Jupiter's booth is 3E250 at ISE, 3E250. Cristiano, take it away. Tell us a little bit about Valarea and why they should go by the Jupiter booth.
Yeah, sounds good. So thank you. So Valarea is not just an application. We are talking about a solution. And when people first hear about Valarea, immediately they think that we are an application launcher like you see Workspace or Display Note. But we really are much more. So our ecosystem is also considering many aspects, because with the new norm, organizations are looking not just only for single technology, and the product selling strategy is not offering immediate sales, because it's very important to cover all the aspects in this picture in order to provide the better experience inside any meeting space. And typically the video conferencing approach are silos and are creating their own application store, their own whiteboard, their own everything. But in the middle, people have many difficult to screen share and to present contents. Sometimes are dependent by the network, sometimes are dependent on the dongle. So it's very difficult, and director flip the computer, the laptop to the audience and start offline to present the PowerPoint today. Happened in 2022. So why Valarea is different? We have decided to collect many features, talking day by day with end customers and partners, and creating our roadmap, and trying to get the most important features and transform into the product. So it's very difficult today to have an approach of product selling. We especially selling solution like software for UC and visual collaboration. I'm very happy to show a preview, the first image of Valarea version 4 that will be hosted in Jupiter booth. It's a very clean UI compared to the version 3.8, and any action is start a meeting from our point of view. So you can have an offline meeting starting from Workspace, that our built-in stage for presenting content, for drawing, and also for dragging any 3D object, augmented reality, mixed reality in white page. And then you can start instant meeting on multiple video conferencing provider. We support Microsoft Teams, Zoom, WebEx, and Google Meet for instant meeting functionality with the same UI for searching contact and start the meeting. Or you can also receive one tap to join link for more than 20 video conferencing. But the most killer application that we have in the version 4 that you can see and touch immediately from 10 May with version 4 is how to present. We have included HDMI hinges support. We have included wireless display protocol without apps or dongles, so Miracast, Wi-Fi Direct, and Apple AirPlay, including Google Cast. And the very big news is Valarea Cast. So scanning the QR code, you download the app, forget to ask which network, Wi-Fi, guest, password, PIN. even in 4G network, Bluetooth Low Energy guarantees security and presence or proximity, and you can send on the screen of the meeting room and remotely contents from
Does the device have to be on the same network, or is it working a different way?
You can also keep your mobile on 4G network, and through the Azure connection and the security that is guaranteed by the proximity Bluetooth Low Energy, we change this QR code every 10 seconds. It's very, very difficult to break the security of this protocol. And then we send the link of OneDrive on the big screen, and the mobile phone is a controller. So you can swipe PowerPoint, you can play video clip, you can search in Excel. So this is the first step. The second step is to push the link as public link and have also collaboration in real time on the same Excel files from any device, even from browser, on the members, of course, of the meetings. So the Valarea Cast step 1, introduced at ISE, it's a very, very the game changer for presenting content on any screen.
And this is universal for any collaboration display as well.
Exactly. So behind the display, there is the Intel NUC PC running Windows 10 IoT and Valarea Room OS. And you can also install on the OPS. In fact, we are also in another booth of JView PC OPS manufacturer. And it's supporting legacy MTR. So you can also install Windows 10 on MTR. Of course, you have to license the MTR, install Valarea, and continue to use the touch controller for interacting also with passive display or interactive. And if you don't have budget, you just install the app and you have a controller on your hands.
So if I'm an integrator, do I sell this as a license? Is it per display or per user? How does that work?
We have a perpetual license model that it's for PC unit. You can also have multiple screen, dual
so
screen.
The Room PC has the license, and anyone can join it from that point. Okay, so this is all going to be in the Jupiter booth at 3E250. And you can see on the screen now why a 21:9 display would be perfect for this application, because you're also able to see the video content, the video people who are joined remotely, as well as the content side by side. And your new version 4 is also natively compatible with 21:9 displays, right?
Exactly. So we have many features included in the product, including the console. But talking about the Jupiter, we have a special UI you see here for this big display that offer mixed reality into the canvas, because we have the scanner for 3D LiDAR, so you can acquire everything and send directly to the canvas, and then you can rotate locally and remotely.
That's going to be interesting to see. Will you be demonstrating that in the Jupiter booth?
Exactly. We showcase the video conferencing and the mixed reality come together in the Jupiter booth with
Do you have to
Valarea.
wear gloves for that, or how does it know what to pick up? How does it know when you're the mixed reality? How does it know what motions you're making? Is it gesture based, or what is it doing?
We support the LiDAR scanner and the photogrammetry. So we have developed in our apps a way to have GLB files that are the standard. And then in the video conferencing with the screen share, you can see the object in the remote context, but also you can rotate and measure the object inside the canvas. Okay,
so this is all going to be in Jupiter's booth, 3E250 at ISE. If you're going to Barcelona, definitely check it out, 3E250. Cristiano, and of course, if you want to find out about the product now, just click on the links below in the description of this video cast. Cristiano, thank you very much for doing this today. I really appreciate it, and I'm excited to see it myself.
Thank you so much, Gary.
We'll shoot a video of this. We'll definitely demo it. We'll be there. All of our coverage at ravepubs.com/ISE 2022. Or you can just go to ravepub.com. You'll find it there too. Thanks for joining us, everyone, and have a great day.
Thank you.
With rants and raves, you'll be okay. And today is your lucky day. It is rants and raves.